Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the like and subscribe button to get more updates about our videos.
Hey there! Today, we're diving deep into a question that's been in the minds of many content creators out there. Is it legal to use other people's videos on your YouTube channel? You know, we've all been there, scrolling through YouTube, stumbling upon some amazing content and thinking, hey, I'd love to share this with my subscribers. But hold on a second. Is it really that simple? Can you just grab someone else's video and upload it to your channel without any consequences? Well, my friends, the answer is not as straightforward as you might think. Technically, you can use someone else's video on your YouTube channel, but doing so often leads to a copyright strike. Since this is the case, it's in your best interest not to download and upload another person's video to your channel. You can, however, modify the video. You need to be very careful when using someone else's content on your channel. YouTube is very strict when it comes to copyright issues. Failure to take the steps necessary to be able to use someone else's content will result in a copyright strike for your channel. If you do things incorrectly, your channel will eventually be banned due to copyright issues. Fair use. So let's get straight into it. The first thing we need to talk about is a little something called fair use. This is a legal doctrine that allows the use of copyrighted material under certain conditions, like for criticism, comment, news reporting, teaching, and research. If your use of someone else's video falls under these categories and adds significant value, like providing commentary, analysis, or transformative content, you might have a fair use case in your hands. But remember, fair use is not a blanket excuse to use whatever you want, however you want. Courts will examine each case individually. Most people get into trouble because they didn't take time to understand fair use and copyright rules in the first place. We've got 5 key points to keep in mind. Number 1. Using less than 30 seconds of footage, or keep it short. You should not use more than 30 seconds of someone else's video footage at a time. Using more than 30 seconds of someone else's video footage will usually cause your video to get flagged as containing copyright material. Try to split footage up by inserting other footage between each 30-second clip. Number 2. Modifying the video footage. If you wish to use someone else's video on your YouTube channel, you will need to modify the video footage, meaning you cannot upload someone else's video in its entirety to your channel. It must be edited in some way. Usually, people will edit someone else's video by adjusting the cropping or speed of the footage. Ultimately, you need to show that you are repurposing the content and adding value. Number 3. Permission or give credit. Another option is to simply ask for permission. Yes, it's that simple. If you find a video you love and want to feature it on your channel, reach out to the creator. They might be thrilled that you appreciate their work, and they may give you the green light. Keep in mind, though, that not everyone may grant permission, and that's totally their prerogative. So don't get discouraged if you hear a no. Number 4. Be careful of background sounds. Make sure there's no copyrighted music or distracting noise in the background when using someone else's video. It could lead to copyright issues. When you do have the sound on, you aren't transforming the content, so keep it short and try to use it outside of the original context. Laws tend to be more protective of artists over, say, TikTok dancing. So when you do use the sound in a video, make sure that there is no music in the background. Number 5. Be kind. If you're insulting someone and using their content in your videos, you must absolutely ensure that you are utilizing fair usage. Avoid any negative or harmful comments about the original content. Remember, YouTube is all about community, so let's keep it friendly and respectful. Also, I would suggest to have another channel for communicating with your audience, such as Twitter or email, and make an effort to participate in the community for your channel. In case the worst happens, you'll be able to gather the troops. There are many content creators on YouTube that upload other people's videos to their channels. While many creators do things incorrectly, there are a few channels that manage to go about the process properly. Making sure that video do not present copyright issues is essential, as failure to fix these potential issues will lead to disaster. Before we end this video, let me introduce to you Postifluence by Technic Force. Rank at the top of the SERPs and drive organic traffic to any niche with the only SEO strategy that still works. Get yourself and your customers free targeted traffic with guest posts on high-ranking and high-traffic websites. Zoom to the top of the SERPs with 100% organic link building and traffic source. Find tons of blogs and websites eager to post your articles. Get 100% organic do-follow links. Only ranking sites, no bad players or dead blogs. Automated email and SMS reach out. Email and phone number of bloggers and influencers. And a lot more. Postifluence builds you backlinks and gets you new traffic with hands-free ease. So what are you waiting for? Get Postifluence now. Just go to getpostifluence.in.
And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. And thanks for watching.